What will I be doing in 2025? Learning to code and web application security testing. That's it. Nothing else really. Well, besides the other parts of my life, but that's not why you're here. At least I don't think so. See, I've tried learning to code so many times over the course of my 10+ year IT career. But before diving into that, let me share with you a 10-second summary of my career up until this point. I've done desktop support, help desk duties, I've been a systems administrator, cybersecurity analyst, became a cybersecurity engineer, and even dipped my toes into pen testing and government work. I've learned so many things, and parts of that journey have been really cool. So why now? Why learn to code in one of the worst markets for software developers ever? It's both a simple and complex answer. Simple because it's a skill I currently don't have. Complex because I felt like it's the one skill that I never developed, and I avoided doing so my entire tech career. It was never a good time to learn. I was too busy with my undergrad studies, then too busy with family and work. Then it was because I was studying for one of my many IT certifications, or I was too busy because of grad school, and so on. There was always an excuse to put it off. Until recently, I had nothing but excuses. Some of them, I feel, were legitimate, like experiencing real burnout multiple times. Part of that burnout was not having a creative outlet where I could share my journey, keep myself motivated and disciplined. Another main reason why I am choosing to learn now is because I am not setting out to be a software developer. I'm not actively seeking to change careers. I've learned over the last 10 years that nothing pans out the way you planned. It makes sense for me to not do what I've repeatedly done up until now. I've always decided to go full steam ahead, burn the candle from both ends, and in turn, neglect the other parts of my life. My health, my family, my overall well-being. Always telling myself it would be worth it in the end. Looking back, it was hardly ever worth it. Oftentimes, when I achieved a goal I set out to accomplish, I didn't feel happiness or relief. I was just numb. So this year, I am focusing on the skill I generally neglected. Put that final badge of honor on my proverbial board of accomplishments. Not with the intent to change careers, but to build a skill that will complement my current skill set and my future. Finally, I'm doing it with the intent to do something for me, work for myself, rather than only work for someone else. There's nothing inherently wrong with working for someone else. There's many benefits to it. I'm choosing to develop this skill and take whatever opportunities are a right fit for me to help me reach my ultimate goal. What's that? That goal is to leverage the skills I've developed to facilitate my personal life. After all, I work to live. I don't live to work. Stick around for my next video where I'll share my path and some resources I plan on using to help me along the journey of learning software development and how I plan on leveraging that to complement my web application security testing skills. Oh, and of course, keep making content. I'm Hackin' Kraken. Thanks for watching.